Hello, welcome to Chun's Kitchen. The hot summer finally went away. Soon after the autumn starts, there's a big traditional holidays in Korea we call Chuseok or Hangawi. So today I'm going to introduce one of traditional Chuseok dish we call jeon, kind of Korean style pancake, and I'm going to make easiest one today. There are two different kinds of jeon. The first one is really pancake style, just prepared the ingredients and mix with batter all together and pan frying, like pajeon I made. The other one is different slightly, just coat the ingredients with flour and egg and pan fry one by one separately, usually small size. As you can see, most jeon here are the second style one, small size, so different, many kinds of ingredients. So we usually serve with several of those on one plate. Originally, jeon is a special food for the holidays, but nowadays you can eat anytime you want. So you can see this kind of restaurant specialized for the jeon around you easily in Korea. I'm going to make Yuk-jeon beef pancake today, the easiest and simplest one. These are the main ingredients today: beef, round part, thinly sliced, roughly 1 millimeter. Originally, Yuk-jeon is made with beef, but pork is okay. Any loin part would be okay to use. Today I'm going to make some kind of spicy salad for Yuk-jeon, and these three are main ingredients for that. I'm going to use white parts of spring onion because green part has a bit strong taste. Except for those onions, spring onion, cabbage, carrot and perilla leaves are quite optional. And there's 2 eggs for the beef, not for the salad. The first thing to do is to marinate the beef with simple seasonings like salt and pepper. This is sake. I'm going to brush the meat with this, slightly, not too much. And then I'm going to sprinkle some salt and pepper, slightly. Prepare vegetables for the salad while you're waiting. Just julienne all the ingredients like this. But I diced half of onion for making soy sauce dip. Salad dressing this time is quite simple. Just sugar, chili flakes, soy sauce, vinegar, and chili paste. This salad actually gives you some fresh taste when you eat with a greasy meat. So you can use this dressing for other dishes when you make Korean style salad. But if you can't take spicy food, there's a soy sauce dip. So simple, but quite goes well with this kind of jeon all the time. Soy sauce, vinegar, and a little bit of sugar, and add some onion, sometimes chili. Jalapeno is so good. I prepared wholemeal flour and potato starch to coat the meat. Just normal flour is okay. Coat with flour mix and a shake of excessive flour. After preparing the beef like this, break and whisk an egg with a little bit of salt for pan frying. After heat the oil slightly, just coat the meat with egg and put it on the pan. Keep the heat low temperature when you make Yuk-jeon. We use the egg for the outside of the ingredients or filling, so it's easy to burn. Egg. So when you make this kind of jeon, we keep the heat low or medium low heat while you pan frying. Maybe you think some pieces are a bit big, too big, but I usually serve as it is, especially when I serve with salad. Anyway, if you think it's too big, you can cut in half when you serve. It doesn't matter that much. Jeon usually tastes best right after you make it, but you can keep this in the fridge and just heat it up again before you serve. Well, it's done. Then I'm going to prepare the salad. Put all the vegetables in the bowl except for the perilla leaves. And then add the dressing. You don't have to put all the dressing at once. You just need to add little by little. After mixing well, add the leftover perilla leaves and sesame oil and mix again slightly. While finished, you might still think it's too big to eat. Well, I will show you how we eat this kind of Yuk-jeon with salad. Just get one piece of Yuk-jeon and put it on the plate, and then adding the salad on it, and try to wrap with it, and then eat. When you serve with dipping sauce like this, you can enjoy Yuk-jeon with the onion in the sauce or just dipping. It's okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.